Hi everyone, Mike Novak coming at you with the October market report for Snohomish County. Let's take a look at the numbers together, guys. First off, we've got our sales price, $410,000 back in 2016, all the way up to $460,000 in 2017. So you're hearing that number of 11% increases month after month. It's a trend that we keep telling you guys about, and it keeps on happening. Days on market, 13 days on market back in 2016, down to 10 days on market in 2017. So the average days it takes to sell a home is continuing to go down and decrease, guys. Months of inventory supply, we're down to a 1.3 month inventory supply of homes on the market right now, down from 1.7 months back in 2016. Couple takeaways for you guys. You know, one of the questions we get asked a lot is, Mike, are we in a housing bubble? And that's a really, really good question. And so we want to show you some of the data to tell you why we don't think we're in a housing bubble. So if you look at these two lines over here, we've got the year 2000, we've got the year 2008 for pretty obvious reasons, and then we've got the year 2017 over there where we're at right now. The first line is this line that goes up, 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 and then drops in 2008 when the big recession set in and prices plummeted. And then they kept creeping back up until where they're at now in 2017. The second line, guys, is the historical trend of 3% increases, which is what real estate historically has appreciated. It's a pretty safe investment. That's just kind of the trend it's had over, you know, just over time. So if you look at these two lines, they intersect pretty close to where we're at on pricing right now. So when you look at that, and then you look at the months of inventory supply, and you look at the lending practices that are going on right now, there's not vulture lending going on. There's none of those adjustable rate, you know, implosion mortgages happening. It's a much safer lending environment. The inventory level is much lower, and the price increases, I know they feel like they're gone up a lot, but if you look over the last 17 years, it's really averaging right around that 3%. So that's the information, or the information behind the data, and kind of some insights on if we're in a housing bubble or not. Two other big takeaways for you guys, you know, that we're seeing a lot that we just want to share with you. One, make sure you get pre-approved before you start finding a home or looking for a home. It's really, really unfortunate when you're out looking at a home, find that perfect house, and then you go to write an offer, but you haven't gotten pre-approved, and then you miss out on the home while you're trying to get pre-approved. So don't be that person, get pre-approved. The other thing, guys, you know, contingent offers are struggling right now, just to be honest with you. So get your home on the market, you know, get some action on it, and then think about maybe going and finding the home once your current home is on the market, so you're not going to get pushed to the bottom of the offer stack if you're in a competitive bidding situation. So anyways, that's our market report for October. Mike Novak from the Novak Real Estate Team. Have a great day, everyone.